Open your pantry. There's a good chance one of these 5 pasta sauce brands is in it right now, and what's inside isn't quite what the front promises. Canadians spend hundreds of millions a year on pasta sauce, and the biggest names all count on the same thing. That between the store and the stove, you never once turn the jar around. Today, we turn all of them around to read the ingredient list. By the end of this video, you'll know which 5 brands I'd put back and why. And I'll hand you 3 sauces that genuinely earn your cart at 3 prices, around $4, around $7, and a worth it splurge. Stay to the end because the biggest name in the category saved its boldest trick for the jar itself, not what's in it. Through the whole list, villains and heroes alike, the same question will be answered. What in this jar is doing the job the tomato was supposed to do? A good tomato, cooked down properly, brings its own sweetness, body, and richness. Start from cheaper tomatoes, or fewer of them, and every job gets filled by something else, always printed on the back. Number 5. Great Value, Walmart. We start at the bottom of the price tag. Walmart's Great Value, under $2, not even sold in a jar. It comes in a can. Read the label and you can watch the substitutions happen. Crushed tomatoes first, then water, filling space the tomatoes were supposed to fill, then sugar, third, standing in for the ripeness they didn't bring. And because watered tomatoes won't hold together, modified cornstarch fakes the body. Its other job is instant gravy. Pour it out and you can see it. Cooked down sauce falls in uneven ridges. Factory thickened sauce slides out in one smooth mass. To be fair, the list is short and the price isn't pretending, but you'd expect this at $2. The next brand won't even commit to which sweetener it's using. Number 4. Hunt's Conagra Brands. Hunt's is one of the oldest tomato names on the continent, owned by Conagra, an American food giant. And on thick and rich original, the substitutions start higher up the label than anywhere else today. The second ingredient, ahead of every herb, is canola oil, filling in richness a slowly simmered tomato was supposed to provide. Then comes the line worth reading out loud in the aisle. Glucose, fructose, and/or sugar. Glucose fructose is the Canadian name for high fructose corn syrup, and /or means the recipe can switch sweeteners batch to batch. So the company itself can't tell you which is in your jar. Nobody's grandmother ever cooked with /or. In fairness, Hunt's plain tomato paste is still a good budget staple. It's this sauce where the shortcuts stack up. And the next brand takes that same paste and rebuilds a vegetable out of it. Number 3. Prego, the Campbell's company. Prego belongs to Campbell's, yes, the soup company, and its Canadian label makes the friendliest promise in the aisle. 2 full servings of vegetables. Now turn the jar around. The list doesn't begin with tomatoes. It begins with tomato paste and water. A tomato concentrated in a factory, then rediluted inside your jar, with diced tomatoes added after the fact, and sugar fourth, ahead of the garlic and the oil, to bring back the life the paste lost. Taste a spoonful cold and notice what arrives first. Not tomato. Sweetness. Fair note, no preservatives, and that claim is genuine. If you're watching your sugar, the vegetables on the front were reassembled from concentrate on the back. 3 American giants in a row. The next one stings because it's ours. Number 2. Unico, Sunbright Foods. Unico has been on Canadian tables since 1917. And since 1997, it has belonged to Sunbright Foods of Ruthven, Ontario. Family-owned, Canada's largest tomato processor. That Canadian story is exactly why the label disappoints. Unico Original reads, crushed tomatoes, water, sugar, salt, modified cornstarch. The same 5 ingredients that lead the $2 can at number 5 at a heritage price. And one more substitute does heavy lifting. Salt. By Unico's own table, a half-cup serving carries 680 milligrams of sodium, 28% of your day, because that's what it takes to make thin sauce taste of something. Hold Unico beside Great Value, cover the logos, and try telling the lists apart. The fair note matters. Sunbright's canned Ontario tomatoes are genuinely worth your money, so buy those. A maple leaf tells you who profits. The label tells you what you're eating. Number 1. Classico, Kraft Heinz. Classico wears Italy on every label, di Napoli, di Molise, and by its own description, it is Canada's #1 pasta sauce, owned by Kraft Heinz. And here's the twist. The sauce itself is comparatively clean. Tomato and basil has no added sugar, just 4 grams of natural sugars per half cup, the lowest of any villain today. Though the first word on the list, the biggest ingredient by weight, is still water. But Classico's substitution happened somewhere else. In late 2024, Canadians noticed the jar had quietly shrunk from 650 milliliters to 600. And when asked why, Kraft Heinz explained that nearly half of Canadians don't finish the full-size jar anyway. They sold everyone less and framed it as a favor, the same way they'd already trimmed Kraft Dinner and their salad dressings. Every other brand substituted something inside the sauce. Classico replaced 50 milliliters of sauce with nothing and bet that Canada's #1 customer base wouldn't notice. And that's the worst of it. You now know all 5 tricks: water for tomatoes, oil for richness, sugar for ripeness, salt for flavor, a smaller jar for a raise. Now the good half: 3 sauces that need none of the mentioned substitutes. Accessible, Muti. The everyday switch is Muti, run by the same family in Parma, Italy since 1899, 5 generations on a single crop. And the reason it needs no substitutes is printed on the jar. 100% Italian tomatoes, no added sugar, because properly ripened tomatoes bring their own. Open a jar and smell it. Sharp and fresh, closer to a cut vine than ketchup. At $4 to $5, it costs barely more than the budget cans, with the substitution list deleted. A mid-range, Stefano Faita. The mid-range pick is Stefano Faita, who grew up in Montreal's Little Italy and, with chef Michel Forgione, turned his mother's and grandmother's recipe into a jar cooked in Canada. The shortest list in this video: 6 things: Italian whole-peeled tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, garlic, basil. No sugar because the tomatoes are sweet enough. No added water because nothing needed stretching. No paste because nothing was rebuilt. Pour it and watch it cling to the spoon instead of bleeding a watery ring on the plate. $7 to $8, and a chef's name on the lid is a reputation that can't afford a bad jar. Premium, Neal Brothers. The premium pick is Neal Brothers. In 1988, brothers Chris and Peter Neal started making croutons in their mother's Aurora, Ontario kitchen. Today, their certified organic sauces are made in Ontario with roughly 70% local ingredients by their own count. The Basil Tomato Bliss label reads like a grocery list from a real kitchen. Organic tomatoes, water, organic paste, onions, sunflower oil, sea salt, basil, garlic. No sweetener anywhere. One honest flag. The rosé does contain organic cane sugar, so check your flavor. $9 to $10 for the shopper who wants the dollar staying in Ontario, and a label that reads like food. Every claim here is checkable. Ingredient lists and nutrition numbers from the brand's own Canadian sites, grocers and photographed labels, ownership from corporate records. The Classico size change from Canadian reporting, including Kraft Heinz's own statement. Here's the whole video in one sentence. When the tomato is good enough, the rest of the list gets short. Water, starch, sugar, oil, and salt aren't flavors. They're patches, printed in plain sight exactly where the front of the jar is designed to stop you looking. Reading a label isn't paranoia. It's the one conversation where a food company has to tell you the truth.